The aim of this movie is to introduce you to the use of capsule tension rings, or CTRs. These are surgical devices that most of us are very familiar with in theory, but in practice have fairly limited clinical experience because appropriate cases are, thankfully, relatively few and far between. So in order to familiarize you with tension rings, we're going to start by first having a brief look at their background and development. We'll then go on to discuss the indications for their use, followed by some tips and tricks for their implantation that should be of some practical benefit to you. We'll finish off by reviewing the full range of complications associated with their use, with some insights and advice of how best to avoid them. The presence of weakened or broken zonules has always presented a significant surgical challenge, but it's only relatively recently that we've had the means available to take some effective action. It was the introduction of the CTR by Whitchell in 1993 that began the steady revolution in the management of zonular deficiency.